Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to charge your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So, basically there's only one way how to charge them, and that's with the help of original cable which comes with this device. This side is called Type-C cable and it needs to be plugged into power adapter or to a PC. And this side is attaching to your watch with the help of magnet. Let me show you how it looks. So, you'd need to attach it to this part of the back of your watch, just like this, and now it automatically connected. So, this is how a power adapter looks, and it doesn't come with the device. When you buy a power adapter, make sure that it has this Type-C input. I will plug this cable into my computer and then show you how the charging animation looks. Now, we need to attach this part to your watch to start the charging process. And you can see this charging animation, which shows the actual time, date, and this icon, which means that your watch is charging. Now let's talk about the charging time and battery life. How long it will take to fully charge. So, if you want to charge these watches from 0% to 100, it will take about 75 minutes. Or if you want to charge them only on 80%, it will take 45 minutes. So, if you are worried that you have to go and your watches are low on battery, don't worry, they charge kind of quickly. And now, how long they will last on one full charge. So, these Apple Watch Series 9 can work up to 18 hours. This includes time checking, getting notifications, applications usage, and 1 hour of workout. So, if you are using these watches all day, being on work or working out, you can be sure that they will last you all day long. And that's it. Now you know how to charge your watches and how long it will take and how long it will last you. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.